Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Rosa Technocrat. Today I am here with one more new issue, that is dashboard or status is missing for some users in Fortiweb. So we will be talking about an issue that I recently faced with Fortiweb. So the motivation behind this video was like one of my customers reported an issue where few users were not able to see the dashboard option in GUI. Let's continue. What is the issue? If you log in to Fortiweb and if you go under this GUI option, you can see a status and this dashboard option here, right? And this is the default page or default dashboard when we land on to a Fortiweb login page after login. And once we click on this status, we see all this HA status and other information, and that's the default page. Now, what's the issue? This is expected. This is what we should get. Okay, so this is the expected behavior. And issue is some users reporting they are not getting the status option here, and even for few users the dashboard itself was not visible. I try to reproduce the issue and this is what I reproduced here, like the status is not available. And also if you have ADOMs configured, then when you go under global you will not be able to see the dashboard itself. Okay, so if you don't have ADOMs, then the status option is missing, and if you have ADOMs, then dashboard and status both will miss from the global. Okay, so that is the issue. How we can fix? Let's see that. Okay, S- so before that, explaining how we can fix, I want to tell you like these dashboards and these plus, these are all called status page or widgets in FortiWeb. Even similar behavior exists in FortiGate also. So where the first page you see, these are all like the uh, widgets and the custom pages that you can add. Okay, so when you add these pages, they are saved into your admin or your user profile by the name GUI dashboard. Okay, so if they are missing, that means somehow the widget profile or the GUI dashboard profile is missing under the user configuration. Okay, so the solution to this is, as you got from the explanation, is the GUI dashboard options or status page options are missing from the user. Okay, so where you can use this config system admin and then edit admin name. Admin name, this admin name is the username here, any username that might exist in your configuration, and then go under config GUI dashboard. So under config GUI dashboard, you will see all the information related to the widgets, and the status page and GUI dashboard is listed under the username. So please verify if you have the status and the global option missing from there. So if the dashboard status is absent, add the dashboard status by using the following command. So what you have to do, you have to do set name status, set permanent enable, okay, and the VDOM. So in case of global, like if you are using a ADOM, then this VDOM will be the global one for uh, dashboard option. Okay, otherwise it will be like root if you are not using any other ADOMs. Okay, so let's quickly see this in our lab how we do it. It's lab time. Let's log in. Let me log in quickly. Okay, I'm almost there. Okay, so now in the lab, I'm demonstrating. As you see here, the status option is not available. So what you have to verify is you have to go under console or log into the CLI and verify config system ad, sorry, it's admin, config system admin, edit admin, because my username is admin, it can be any username, and then you have to do show. So when you do a show, you can see here there is a GUI dashboard option, config GUI dashboard, right? And under config GUI dashboard, you have got Fortiview topology, Fortiview countries, Fortiview three threads. So these are the options that you see here listed, right? And that's it. But there is no status option here. Okay. So what that is missing. Okay. So this is what you have to add. Maybe someone edited the profile or someone made some changes because of which this option got removed from your user. So you have to add this option. Okay. How we can add? Now we have to do config GUI dashboard. Okay. Edit 15. Set name status. Okay. Set vdom root or even global will also work because we don't have adoms here. Okay. Set vdom global and then set. You have to set the uh, this widget table, like what widget you had, and then sysadmin to root. Okay, so I will add the sysadmin widgets and set permanent enable end. Okay, now it's saved, and once it is saved, we have to re-log in or just refresh and let us see if it comes back. I did in the global. Okay, so it's not there still. Why? That means I'm missing something in the CLI. What I'm missing? Config system admin, edit admin, config GUI dashboard. So what I'm missing? What I'm missing here is this is under root. Okay, so the VDOM should be root, not VDOM should be root, not global. Edit 15, set VDOM root because there are no ADOMs, and okay, let us see if it comes, or we have to just log in once more. Yeah, so now we see status. So this status came back but without any widgets. So you can simply add here system information, licenses, operation, whatever you had, and click on close. Okay, so now you have your status option back. So this status is by default exist and contains all this information, and if this is missing, that means that status option is missing from the user profile from the GUI dashboard. Okay, And similarly, this can be created by using this plus sign as well. You can do a like status 1, for example, because I already have something named uh, status. Why? Okay, maybe it's not allowing. Okay, so now you see this option came back and you can add more widgets if you want, and all these widgets can be seen from here. So that's the issue, and you can also refer some of the articles which are already there as part of the Fortinet documentation also. You see dashboard status not loading. This is one of the issue which is already documented. Similarly, we have referenced this as well. So what is the issue here? It says the status is not loading. Okay, and similar issues, there are more issues. Dashboard is unavailable in GUI for certain users. This is same exactly us, and this is also you can see it's reported or documented on Fortinet community website. Okay, so you can see here similar config GUI dashboard, and you have to set name status, set permanent, and set the widget. The widgets are already defined under this. Even after adding this command, if you are not getting, you can simply add by clicking the plus sign and select the widgets that you need, similar to what we had done just now. Okay, so that's the solution for this issue. Coming back, so our lab time is done. I have explained you about this issue, and this is all just related to a status option missing under the Fortiweb default login page. Hope if you encounter this issue or any of you face this issue, you know in advance how to fix it. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching Rosa Technocrat.